You know those people who tell you to play forehand instead of backhand? Well, screw them. Play normally instead of trick shots? Well, screw them too. Screw all those people. Today we're gonna show you 3 deceptive backhand shots that will not only break all the rules, but also break your opponent's ankles. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and watch till the end. Our first deceptive backhand shot is going to be the backhand reverse slice. Now, what is this shot? First, let's make sure our grip is good. So our grip, again, into our neutral handshake grip. Now, one thing when you're hitting this shot is instead of usually when you hit your backhand, you're shifting your grip a little bit to the left, so you hit in. But this is actually the opposite, and this is very unique, only in this circumstance. So instead of shifting in, we shift our grip out. Why is this important? It's because usually when we're hitting, we shift our grip in because we want to hit inside the courts. But for this one, we want to do a reverse slice, so we're windshield wiping outwards. Okay? That's why we need to turn our grip the other way. So on contact, we're looking like we're coming in first, and then at the last second, we're swiping. We're swiping across here. So the shuttlecock should be like this. Your racket is coming, and then as you come, you're swiping right over the shuttlecock. So your contact will be this way, your racket movement will be this way all the way through, but when you hit, you're hitting to the left. And that's what's gonna cause that deception. When you're hitting the shot, really make sure that you are stepping and hitting at the same time. You need to be really in position for a hold before you hit, because this requires you to have perfect timing and perfect accuracy when you're hitting. So you can't be out of position, you can't be all of that. You have to be here, you have time, you hold, and then you can do your trick shot. Our second backhand trick shot is going to be what is famously known as a tall flick surprise smash backhand. This is when we are in our backhand position. What tall flick does often is he comes here and he hits this super boom, flat smash. Now the thing is, on this side, people don't really expect it because it's your backhand. People don't hit shots like that. Unlike the first shot we rotated our grip outwards, but this time we have to rotate it inwards because we have to generate power, meaning our swing has to be the full length and we have to follow through. So if our grip was outwards, then the shot would go out. So we have to bring it back in because it's to the side and forward. Now, one really important thing about hitting this shot is when you're coming here, you need to make sure your elbow is leading first, okay? Because if your elbow's not leading, you're just hitting it behind you and wrist power is not enough. You need to use the whole rotational power of your body. So you're coming up, it's kind of like, imagine if you had a boxing glove in your left hand, it's like, boom! So imagine this, you step, and then as you're hitting, you turn this whole body, starting from your back, over into your elbows, and then when your contact point should be in front of you, okay? It should almost never be behind you. If it's behind, it should be at most beside you, because you need to turn to hit the shot. Our last deceptive backhand shot is the backhand cross-court clear. So this is really important. We come up here and you want to turn your grip even more inside because right now we're hitting to the cross-court. You want to step with power at the same time, and then at the last point, boom, hit that cross-court clear. Make sure that it's high enough and all the way to the back. Now, how do you generate enough power to hit the back? Well, what you need to do is really focus on, it's mainly this part of my wrist that I have to snap at the end, okay? So everything still follows through at the same time, and then at the end, boom, it's this snap of my wrist that makes it go to cross court. And you really want to focus that when you're playing, you feel nice and solid after contact. What if one video could change how you fundamentally played badminton? Welcome to Aylex Badminton Academy's Guide to Badminton Mastery, a 10-module course for beginner and intermediate players to master badminton. Refine your grip, perfect your strokes, and add deception into your arsenal. Learn advanced strategies, doubles tactics, and defensive techniques. Boost your fitness strength, mental game, and unlock your true potential. Join me in this comprehensive course to propel your game towards badminton excellence. So next time your coaches, your parents, or your peers tell you to play badminton properly, tell them, hell no, I watch Aylex Badminton Academy.